What's up, everybody? I'm super excited to share some incredible tips with you today. Today, we're diving into the world of bizarre home hacks that actually work. These aren't your typical tips, they're unique and surprisingly effective. We're talking mind-blowing, life-changing stuff that'll have you wondering, why didn't I think of that? Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Get ready to transform your house into a well-oiled, super efficient machine with these 20 crazy tricks. From organizing your pantry to cleaning hacks, we've got it all. You won't believe how simple and effective they are. Let's do this. Grab a pen and paper and let's get started on this journey to a more efficient home. All right, first up, we're tackling those annoying stripped screws. You know, the ones, they seem to be the bane of every DIY enthusiast's existence. You know, the ones that just spin in place and make you question your DIY skills. They can turn a simple project into a frustrating ordeal. But don't worry, there's a simple trick to save the day. Grab a rubber band, any rubber band will do, and stretch it over the head of that stubborn screw. The rubber band acts as a cushion and provides extra grip. Now use your screwdriver like normal and watch the magic happen. The rubber band gives you that extra grip, letting you finally conquer that screw. Boom, problem solved. No more frustration, just a simple, effective solution. So next time you face a stripped screw, remember this little hack and save yourself some time and effort. Next, we're giving that microwave a much-needed spa day. Forget harsh chemicals and endless scrubbing. Just grab a bowl, fill it with water, and slice up a whole lemon into it. Microwave that for a few minutes and watch as the steam loosens up all that caked-on grime. Wipe it down and bam! Your microwave is sparkling clean and smells amazing. Foggy headlights got you down? Don't shell out cash for expensive cleaners. Grab your trusty tube of toothpaste, yes, toothpaste, and apply a generous amount to those cloudy headlights. Now, grab a cloth and get to buffing. The toothpaste acts as a gentle abrasive, polishing away the grime and leaving your headlights crystal clear. You'll be seeing the road with 20/20 vision in no time. Chapter 4. Pet hair taking over your house. Don't despair. Grab a squeegee, yes, the one you use for windows, and put it to work on those carpets and furniture. The rubber blade acts like a magnet, picking up pet hair with ease. You'll be amazed at how much fur this simple tool can collect. Say goodbye to furry furniture and hello to a cleaner home. Chapter 5. Scratch furniture got you feeling down? Fear not. Grab a walnut, yes, a walnut, and rub it into those unsightly scratches. The natural oils in the nut work their magic, concealing the scratches and restoring your furniture's beauty. It's like a mini furniture makeover with just a simple nut. Chapter 6. Cleaning a blender can be a real pain, but there's an easier way. Fill your blender with warm water and a squirt of dish soap. Pop that lid on tight and blend it up. The soapy water will swirl around, reaching every nook and cranny. Rinse it out, and you've got a sparkling clean blender without any scrubbing. Clothespin, the ultimate hammer protector. Tired of smashed thumbs and sore fingers from hammering? Grab a clothespin and use it to hold the nail in place. This simple trick keeps your fingers out of harm's way while you hammer away. No more bruised thumbs, just perfectly placed nails. Mayonnaise to the rescue. Water stains on your wood furniture? Don't panic. Mayonnaise, yes, mayonnaise is here to save the day. Apply a generous amount of mayo to those stubborn stains and let it sit for a while. The oils in the mayo will draw out the moisture, making those stains disappear. Wipe it clean and your furniture will look good as new. Chapter 9. The Rubber Glove Pet Hair Buster. Still battling pet hair? Put on a damp rubber glove, yes, a rubber glove, and run your hand over those furry surfaces. The static cling will attract pet hair like magic, leaving your furniture and clothes fur-free. It's a quick and easy way to win the war against pet hair. Chapter 10. Vinegar Power for Showerhead Success. Is your showerhead looking a little clogged and sad? Fill a bag with vinegar, yes, vinegar, and submerge your showerhead in it overnight. The vinegar will dissolve all those mineral deposits, leaving your showerhead sparkling clean and flowing freely. It's like a mini spa treatment for your shower. Chapter 11. Coffee filter screen. Cleaner extraordinaire. Dusty, smudged screens driving you crazy? Grab a coffee filter, yes, a coffee filter, and use it to wipe down your screens. The soft, lint-free material will pick up dust and fingerprints without scratching. Your screens will be crystal clear in seconds. Crayon marks. Hairdryer to the rescue. Crayon masterpieces on your walls. Don't stress. Grab your hairdryer, yes, your hairdryer, and blast those crayon marks with heat. The heat will soften the crayon wax, making it easy to wipe away with a cloth. Your walls will be back to their pristine selves in no time. Short on storage space for cleaning supplies? Grab an over-the-door shoe organizer. Yes, a shoe organizer, and put it to work. Each pocket becomes a designated spot for your cleaning products, keeping everything organized and within easy reach. No more cluttered cabinets, just a tidy and efficient cleaning station. Keyboard looking a little dusty and crumb-filled? Grab a sticky note, yes, a sticky note, and run the sticky side between the keys. The adhesive will pick up all those crumbs and dust bunnies, leaving your keyboard clean and crumb-free. It's a quick and easy way to give your keyboard a much-needed refresh. Binder clip, the cable management champion. Tangled cables driving you insane? Grab some binder clips. Yes, binder clips, and use them to keep your cables organized. Clip them to the edge of your desk and thread your cables through. No more tangled messes, just neat and tidy cables. Chapter 16, Hairdryer Label Remover. Struggling to remove stubborn labels? Grab your hairdryer, yes, your hairdryer again, and blast those labels with heat. The heat will loosen the adhesive, making it a breeze to peel them off. No more sticky residue, just clean and label-free surfaces. Chapter 17, Pool Noodle Car Door Guardian. Dreading those accidental car door dings in the garage? Grab a pool noodle. Yes, a pool noodle, cut it in half lengthwise and attach it to the wall where your car door swings open. The noodle will cushion the impact, preventing those dreaded dents and scratches. Your car will thank you. Chapter 18, Potato Power for a Clean Cheese Grater. Cheese grater looking a little worse for wear? Grab a raw potato, yes, a potato, and grate it. The potato will help remove any stuck-on cheese and clean the grater's blades. It's a simple and effective way to keep your cheese grater in tip-top shape. Chapter 19, Muffin Tin Condiment King. Hosting a BBQ and need a clever way to serve condiments? Grab a muffin tin, yes, a muffin tin, and use it to hold all your favorite sauces and toppings. Each compartment keeps things separate and organized, making it easy for guests to customize their burgers and hot dogs. It's a simple and fun way to upgrade your BBQ game. Chapter 20. Peanut butter, the ultimate gum buster. Gum stuck in your hair or carpet? Don't freak out. Grab some peanut butter, yes, peanut butter, and apply it to the gum. The oils in the peanut butter will break down the gum, making it easy to remove. It's a sticky situation with a surprisingly simple solution. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this journey through some of the most creative and unusual home hacks out there. And there you have it, folks. We've explored 20 bizarre home hacks that actually work wonders. From organizing your space to tackling those pesky cleaning tasks, these hacks are designed to make your life easier and more efficient. I told you these were life-changing. Who knew that such simple tricks could have such a big impact? Now go forth and conquer those everyday problems with these simple and effective solutions. Your home will thank you. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing hacks, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your friends and family. Hit subscribe for more awesome content because we have plenty more tips and tricks coming your way. And leave a comment below with your favorite hack. We love hearing from you and learning about your experiences. Until next time, stay awesome. Keep experimenting, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep having fun with your home projects.